Who's gonna steal the show? You know, baby, it's the Tito Man. He can make you love, he can make you cry. He will bring you down and get you high. Something keeps him going miles and miles away to find another place to play. Night after night, the street to ride, baby, it's the Guitar Man. Who's on the radio? You go, yes, it's the Guitar Man. Then he comes to town and he sees space, and you think your mind like a Davis play. Something keeps you drifting miles and miles away, searching for the song to play. Then you listen to the music and you like to sing along. You want to get the meaning of each and every song. Then you find yourself a message and some words to call your own and take them home. He can make you love, he can get you high. He will bring you down and make you cry. Something keeps him moving, but no one seems to know what it is that makes you go. And the lights begin to blink around, the sound is getting deep. The boys begin to falter and the crowds are getting deep. But you never seem to notice he's just got to find another place to play. Fade away. Got to play. Fade away. Got to play.